It kind of puts me in a really beautiful dream state. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm filming the unboxing of my Allure Beauty Box from the month of May. Now, this is a subscription that I am going to cancel. I did pay for the year, so I'm seeing it through. But the last two boxes have actually been really good, so I've kind of been reconsidering keeping it. But let's see what's in this box for May. As always, they have their little pamphlet with a little sneak peek of the products. Cute. They have a $10 store credit. Okay, first thing I see, Skin Ink Cryo Ice Roller, Depuff Sculpt Detox, shaped like a sake bottle, which is really cute. Okay, so you basically put this in the freezer, and when it's ready, it'll turn pink, and you smooth it over your skin, maybe with like a serum too. That's cool. It's been a long time since I've got a new like beauty tool other than brushes, so yeah, excited about that. See what I mean? This box is pretty good, starting off pretty good. Starting off pretty good, you guys. Belief Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream. It has an immediate cooling effect, and it says it reduces the appearance of pores. Ooh. Definitely excited to give that a try. The brand, this is from the brand OUAI. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And this is the Tranexamic Acid Face Serum. I have never heard of Tranexamic. It says it's for dark spots. So, gosh, they've really got this packaged in there. It's in one of those super tight saran wrap packaging. I'm not gonna open this, you guys. It's just too much. Next is the Rosie by Jane, and this is in Nude Musk. It says, Rosie is a nude musk, sweet rose. It feels like sleeping in your birthday suit, naked and subtle. Ooh, that's actually quite lovely. It's more of a brighter rose scent, not powdery. It's like a very fresh cut rose smell. This would be lovely fresh out the shower. I don't know about you, but I do like a nighttime perfume. It kind of puts me in a really beautiful dream state. This would be really lovely fresh out the shower. It is so fresh smelling. And the dry down, I don't know if that's a woodsy note. I'm not sure what it is. It's not like a musk, but it definitely has something happening once it dries down. That is really, really nice. Ooh, another Yves Saint Laurent in 2, Healthy Glow. So this is one of my absolute favorite products of all time. I did just receive it in a different box. I'm not gonna open this to keep it either as a backup or as a gift, but I already have one right here. This is the Yves Saint Laurent, the Plump Glow in number 2, which is just its nude pink. For me, this is a holy grail product. I have repurchased this many times throughout the years, and I've been using it for like over 15 years, so love that. It's worth every single penny. And lastly, in my Allure Beauty Box for May is the Nelastin Brow Altering Serum. Perfect. I'm trying to grow back my brow right here, so I'm gonna use this 100%. Wonderful. All right, you guys, that is what was in my Allure Beauty Box for the month of May. Although I did cancel my subscription, I am seeing it through for the year that I paid for, and the last now 3 boxes have been really, really good. So maybe they're stepping up their game, I don't know. But let me know down in the comments if you guys received this box. What are your thoughts? Should I keep or should I cancel it? I did already cancel it, but I can always renew. You guys, let me know what you want to see next. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.